Hello again, everybody. This is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining us again today on another one of our Soapy Time adventures. We are continuing our fall soaps. We are at number 4 out of 6, and I'm hoping that I get these loaded in the correct order. But this is soap number 4 out of 6, and it is going to be our cashmere and linen. And the fragrance I'm going to be using for this is the black linen and amber. And this just smells so amazing. Just a wonderful perfume. I feel like it's a unisex scent. I think anybody could use it. What I'm going to be doing today with it is I was going to do a charcoal soap with white swirls, but Autumn Moon already had a lot of charcoal in it, so I'm kind of wanting to not do as much charcoal. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a white base, and then I am going to do I'm going to do pink. I'm going to do Love Bite with some activated charcoal. This is just sitting and kind of dissolving in some, I don't know if it's really dissolving, but it's working its way into some liquid activated charcoal. And I don't know if I'm going to use my hanger swirl or not, my hanger tool or not, or do a chopstick swirl in the middle. And then I just hoping to do just a simple top with my gold, signature gold on the top with pink and black drizzle. All these have accelerated really fast on me, so I'm hoping that I have some time. So I will stick blend in my lye just barely, and then I am going to hand stir everything else. I'm going to add my colors in and then my fragrance as I go. So my main portion is going to be white with the titanium dioxide that I already have mixed up here. So this is my titanium dioxide, and then with the other two colors, let's cross our fingers that it works, because once again I'm using a fragrance I've never used before. But according to the notes, it doesn't accelerate or rise or trace or blah blah blah, which I'm just finding is sometimes just a load of crap, because my recipe that I'm using is not too much different than what theirs is. So I would think that I would get a little bit more leeway, but I don't know. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. Wish me luck. Say a prayer. And let's see what we can do. I've already been making a ton of soap today, so I have soap on my stick blender, but that's okay. So like I said, I'm just going to barely. I even have it on low. I'm just going to give it a quick stir, and then I'll hand stir the rest. Charcoal and pink and fragrance added in to each one. I'm thinking I might do an in the pot swirl. I don't know. No, I'm going to pour it in and I'm going to do chopstick swirl. That's what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So without further ado, let's get soaping. Okay, we're back, everybody. We're here to cut the cashmere linen. That's what it is. Cashmere linen soap. This is, oh my gosh, this was the one that we did with the pink and the charcoal. And it, oh, it's still just a touch sticky. So, not really revealing much on the sides. And I did have some get on the top right here. That's okay. I will probably take a oh. Let me got soap going everywhere. So this is the one that had, I can't remember the pink in it now, but it might have been ballet slippers, but I used the pink from Mad Mica as a pink, and then I used activated charcoal, and then we just left the base. We put a little bit of white in the base because I wanted a little bit lighter color, because I do believe, I do believe this does discolor. But so far I have not seen any discoloring on the soap. It's been a couple of days since I made this, so just a touch. So let's get in here. I'm so excited to see these soaps. So, like I was saying when I was filming, I think I put it in this one as well. These soaps are part of our fall line. And we may or may not keep the design. Right now we're just kind of deciding. I think this is the one with the chopstick. No, that wasn't chopstick squirrel. I don't remember what it was, to be honest, now. But I'm really liking it. The scent retention is amazing. It smells really good. I'm loving the pink and the black in there. And I'm sure you are well versed in knowing. If you're not, I'll tell you, charcoal is great for your skin. Great for detoxifying. And then we have shea and cocoa butter. Oh my gosh, Lynette, quit hitting it. Shea and cocoa butter in there as well to add some great moisturizing properties. So these are just amazing bars of soap. I love the lather. I love the creaminess. I love how my skin feels after I'm done. We've really worked hard on making these soaps compatible for all skin types. I have quite sensitive skin, so this is why I started this business, is to formulate for me and my daughter and my grandson, who all have very sensitive skin. So that is the cashmere linen, the cut. And until next time, we will see you later. Take care.